I'm sure we can all agree that if your traffic doesn't convert, then you'll never have a successful business. Now, what if I told you there is an easy way that you could ensure that your traffic does convert into cash without ever having to play the guessing game, without ever losing any time, without ever losing money, without hiring a VA or sitting at your computer all day long? As you know, time is money. Think about it. The point of having an online business is for you to automate the work, right? It's plain and simple. If you can't convert your traffic into leads and sales, you never will make money online. So you need a system that simply works. One that works in your favor, but there's a huge problem. It takes a ton of time to manually create winning campaigns, which could quickly add up to hours and hours wasted out of your very busy schedule. Now, if you're not using the right tools to automate your online business, well, you'll be left behind. You're here because you want to build a profitable business, right? This is not the lottery, so why gamble with your time and money like a loser? What if I told you there's a revolutionary new tool that you could use to automate your traffic with fail-proof conversion optimization so that you could get more leads and sales 24/7 on complete autopilot without having to neglect all your other important tasks? Would this help you? I bet it would. With our latest tool, Conversionizer, you'll be able to maximize your conversions through the roof as soon as you click Activate. It's as easy as ABC with our step-by-step system. Step 1 is to simply analyze your traffic needs. Step 2, optimize the settings. And Step 3, activate your campaign for maximum results. It's that simple. Watch this quick demo to see Conversionizer in action.
Hi, this is a quick overview of Conversionizer. This is installed on a site that's been used for Facebook marketing and is also collecting SEO traffic at the moment. Now, I've installed Conversionizer on this site and it's been collecting data for about a week. For a month. There we go, from the 1st of January through to now. And so what I'll do is go through each part. There's a lot to it, so I won't spend too much time. You can look into that deeper, but basically I can show you how you can use Conversionizer to turn around your sites and your online business. So the first thing we see is the Conversionizer dashboard, and on the dashboard we can see this is a calculator, and the idea, well, the point of this is to maximize your conversion rate, which is the whole point of Conversionizer. And so what we can do is we can set an average sale. So this was actually promoting a ClickBank product, and if we set an average sale, let's say it was $47, just as a guess, and the conversion rate, let's say if it's at 7%, then you'd be earning $1,737 gross revenue. So now the whole point is to increase the conversion rate so that our revenue increases, and notice our visitors haven't increased, so the clicks that we're getting haven't increased, we're just converting more of them. So the whole point of this is to increase your conversion rate, and then once you've done that is to scale up your visitors through SEO traffic, paid traffic, whatever you like. So there's no point in getting lots of visitors if they're not going to buy. Okay, so that's very, very handy and keeps you on track. The next part here is a statistics snapshot, and you get a graph of exactly what's going on straight away. So as soon as you come here, you can pick whatever date range you like to get a good indication of what's happening. You can look at the number of sales. This hasn't been hooked up yet in terms of the sales and subscribers, but you can look at the number of subscribers if you're running an opt-in form, and then you can look at the amount of revenue that you're making over this particular period that you've picked. On the right here is automatically every single page and post is recorded in terms of how many clicks you're getting, inbound clicks, and sales conversion rates and opt-in conversion rates if you're running a opt-in subscriber form. So what I'll cover first is, let's go into the optimization part. And so let's have a look at this particular page here, which has got 49 clicks. And we just click through. Okay, so this is the optimization screen. It's quite simple to use, however it uses all the advanced tracking systems that if you used conversion tracking, it can be very complex to use. This is made very simple, however we haven't dumbed it down at all. It's very, very powerful. So the first thing that we can look at is the traffic breakdown. And so what we can look at is what countries are visiting. In this case it was just the US, but you can get it in all different countries here. Whether it's desktop or mobile, what browsers are visiting, people are using. We also have the click data, so every single click we record an IP address, what country, what city, if there's a referrer being, if it's being referred from another site, a lot of times this is blank these days, and if it's part of the split test, which I'll just cover in a second. And the other point too is if we've been hit with referrer spam, we can block this manually, a particular refer, which will happen site-wide, so it'll block it from polluting our statistics. There's no other system that does this. If you're using Google Analytics or any other conversion tracking type system, it's impossible to do this automatically. So we've provided a manual process. So if you see you're being hit flat out by referrer spam, then you can block that from polluting your statistics, which is very, very handy, because there's no point in having fake statistics. And you might think things are going really, really well, you're getting lots of traffic, but it's not real. It could be just bots, actual bots. This system detects bots as well, automated bots, but it also detects referrer spam. The other point other thing you can do on here is split testing. Now, split testing is the best way to increase your conversion rate is to get closer and closer to the market. So what you can do is you can add a new split test. It's very, very easy to do. For example, you go add new, you put in a test name, it'll clone the particular page, this particular page, and then you can go and edit that page, make a quick change to it, set how many times it displays, and then it'll start running and it'll distribute the traffic to the split test and to the original page and come up with a winner. And it'll automatically do that for you. It does all the statistical analysis for you, and once there's a winner, you'll get an email sent to you and you can come in and promote the winner, or you can tick auto promote and you can create a split test, and it'll once there's a winner, it'll automatically change this page to the winning test, which means that your conversion rate keeps increasing. So you can actually turn your site into a conversion machine by creating lots of different split tests. So yeah, split testing, very, very useful, very handy, and imperative really in terms of getting your business really motoring. The other thing here is call to action links. That's a bit more to explain, but the whole point of this is that if you have a particular page and you want them to click on, so for example this particular page here, this has been split tested like crazy, and this is one of the latest particular things, but we want them to click this. Now we can set this up to have it so we can optimize the click-through rate on this link and try different things. So we have here, we've got a piece of text, here we've got an image with a video on it. So and we can test which things are working better, and then in terms of what gets clicked on. So that's obviously a very, very useful thing. These are actually affiliate links, of course. So very, very useful thing to actually get that click through. So that's what this call to action links part is about. And it's very, very simple to put onto a page using a short code, and I'll quickly show you that. So that's call to action links, absolutely imperative if you're going to do this properly. So the next part is, so that's how you optimize a page. Very, 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 very quick breakdown, but it's just a quick video. So we can set up conversion pages. So if you're running a site with where you're selling digital products, for example, and on here you can say for anybody that goes to this particular page, register a conversion for this amount. That's the thing. Now it integrates with Easy Digital Downloads and WooCommerce and a few other products. Convertify is another one, and it automatically detects it. Here I've got Easy Digital Downloads installed on here, just an example, and it will automatically grab the sale amount, which is obviously dynamic, and register that conversion. And you can look at all the particular conversions. You can manage all the conversions in this screen, and you can update it. It's very, very configurable. It was built as a tool to be used in our business, and we've decided to make it into a product. So you can manage conversions, you can manage split tests. The other things that we have we have utilities. So the whole point of Conversionizer 2 is not to use any coding. Conversion tracking can get very, very complicated and take away from the whole point of actually running a business. Regardless of whether you're a programmer or not, speed and efficiency is extremely important. So here you can create those action links that I was talking about. You can create a short code, set up affiliate links, sub-ID tracking. You can cloak the tag, cloak it so it's a nice looking link, not just an ugly affiliate link, and then you can just generate a short code and then just place it on the page, and then you can track links that are going outbound. We also have conversion pixels. So if you're not using conversion pages, you're not selling a product internally, but if you're doing affiliate marketing, for example, you can create a conversion pixel to be put onto a vendor's thank you page. We also have conversion callback URL. So this is very useful for affiliate networks, where you can create where it will call back to the Conversionizer and say, yes, you've made a sale, and this is what this is right from the actual click, so you can track exactly what's going on. And there's other things. So we've got a full event log, so you can see exactly what's going on. Very, very handy for split testing. It tells you when emails are being sent, what's going on, statistical analysis and that type of thing. It's all automated. And if you're testing, there's utilities to test your particular setup, and so that's in setting. That's utilities. In the settings area, we have just loading up. We have a system where you can update the database to get your all the country settings done there. You have cloaked links. So here you can have so you might have a link, those action links that we were talking about before, and it might say go. That you can change it to whatever you like, but that's just the default setting. So you can change it, to download. Well, check this out, whatever you like. So that's quite configurable. We also have Network Conversions API for different affiliate networks. So they don't use callback URLs or conversion pixels. They use an instant sale notification, and so you can use JVZoo or ClickBank. In this sense, you can use pretty much any affiliate system, and you can use as I showed you before, the callback URLs and conversion pixels. The other area is you have email notifications, and you can set it to send you an email when there's been a conversion, and or whether there's been split test wins, and you can put an email address in there. So you can just sit back, set up split tests, and have it auto promote your content, and make your site really work, and which is the whole point of setting up the site in the first place, now wasn't it? So that's Conversionizer. It's a fantastic tool. I use this on every single site I've got, and you can really understand what's going on. You're not in the dark, and you can actually move forward and increase your conversion rate, which means you can increase your revenue.
As you can see, Conversionizer gives you an unfair advantage over your competition with features and benefits such as Revenue Target Engine, where you move the conversion rate slider to the right and see the effect on your potential sales and revenue. Optimize inbound links. Imagine if you knew that for every link you click, you would make X amount of money whether they bought or not. This is quite possible when you use Conversionizer for inbound link campaigns. Optimizes pages and posts. What if you can get more sales from your blog and site pages with no extra traffic? Conversionizer tracks organic traffic to your pages and posts. Sort out what will bring you more sales as well as subscribers to your mailing list. Split testing. Split testing normally is a complicated process. It's made simple here and automated with Conversionizer. It only takes 3 simple steps to find your best converting campaigns. Call to action optimization. Maximize the click-through rate, the CTR, on important links with Conversionizer. Action links. To get sales and subscribers, we need visitors to click links such as buy buttons, subscribe now, or affiliate links. Email notifications. Let Conversionizer optimize your site and notify you by email with its progress. Conversionizer works while you are busy building your business or chilling at the beach. Now, there is so much more that could be said about Conversionizer, but we're going to keep this short and to the point. Conversionizer is the ultimate traffic conversion solution system for 2018 and beyond. You've never seen anything quite like this. So what are you waiting for? Secure your copy of Conversionizer today. You're covered by our 30 days ironclad refund guarantee. So click the buy button now and we'll see you on the inside.